can't even begin to tell you how excited we are that you have chosen Cypress College as your college of choice. And I would like to give a very special welcome to our president, Dr. Joanna Schilling.
Thank you, Gisela. And thank you all for being here. You're going to hear a lot of people saying we're so excited tonight, but it's because we are. And I hope you're excited as well because you are an historic class. You are going to be the first pledge class at Cypress College. So give yourself a hand. And now I'd like to introduce our Chancellor of the North Orange County Community College District, Dr. Cheryl Marshall.
Good evening, pledge students. We are thrilled that you're here. Thank you for coming. Thank you to all the parents in the audience. I just want to reinforce what Dr. Schilling has said. You've made a great choice by coming to Cypress College. Not only will you get great instruction, but we're committed to supporting your journey. We want to make sure that you achieve your goals and that you succeed. And next, you're going to hear from your superintendent, Mike Matsuda.
You know, there's a movie that probably your parents remember. You probably never heard that movie. It's called Field of Dreams. And there's a famous line in there. It's about building a baseball field, right? If we build it, they will come. And I felt like that coming in from the parking lot. I really, my tears came to my eyes because we collectively built this pledge. We collectively built a handoff symbolically and something that's really real for you and your children.
What better way to symbolize the commitment that these districts have put together than with a baton. This baton is symbolic. It is engraved with all of our seals. So today, our superintendent, Mike Masuda, hands off symbolically the students. And this is a symbolic handoff with our parents that have been working with our students all these years, our administrators that are here from the high schools today, and hands it off to our president and to our chancellor of the North Orange County Community College District. As Cal State Fullerton and UCI are here in a couple of years, we will be doing this symbolic handoff for our transfer students that will be going to UCI Cal State. Thank you all for being here, and thank you for the work that you've put in. Thank you, parents. Thank you to all our administrators in the Anaheim Union School District. Thank you to all of our deans that are here to receive these students that will be incoming in the fall of 2018.